The Samsung Galaxy A56 5G 2026 proves once again that Samsung knows exactly how to dominate the mid-range smartphone market. This phone is designed for users who want a premium feel, strong performance, and long-term reliability without paying flagship prices. From the very first look, the Galaxy A56 5G feels modern, stylish, and clearly inspired by Samsung's high-end Galaxy S series, making it an excellent choice for everyday users and tech enthusiasts alike. The design of the Galaxy A56 5G is clean and refined, featuring a slim body, smooth edges, and a premium matte finish on the back that resists fingerprints. It feels solid in hand and comfortable for long usage, whether you're watching videos or scrolling through social media. Samsung has clearly focused on both aesthetics and durability, making this phone look more expensive than it actually is. One of the strongest highlights of the Galaxy A56 5G is its stunning display. The large 6.6-inch Super AMOLED screen delivers rich colors, deep blacks, and excellent brightness. The 120Hz refresh rate makes scrolling incredibly smooth and responsive, which is perfect for gaming, browsing, and watching YouTube videos. Even under direct sunlight, the display remains clear and sharp, offering an enjoyable viewing experience in all conditions. Performance is another area where the Galaxy A56 5G shines. Powered by an efficient next-generation processor and paired with ample RAM, the phone handles multitasking with ease. Apps open quickly, switching between tasks feels smooth, and casual to moderate gaming runs without noticeable lag. With built-in 5G support, users can enjoy faster download speeds, smoother streaming, and better network stability, making this phone future-ready. The camera setup on the Galaxy A56 5G is well balanced for real-world use. The main camera captures sharp and detailed photos with accurate colors, while optical image stabilization helps produce clear shots even in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide camera is great for landscapes and group photos, and the front camera delivers clean, natural selfies that are perfect for social media and video calls. Video recording is stable and reliable, which content creators will definitely appreciate. Battery life is impressive thanks to the large 5000 mAh battery, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. Whether you're streaming videos, gaming, or browsing the web, the Galaxy A56 keeps up without constant charging. Fast charging support ensures you spend less time plugged in and more time using your phone. Running on the latest version of Android with Samsung's One UI, the Galaxy A56 5G offers a smooth, customizable, and secure software experience. Samsung's promise of long-term updates adds even more value, making this smartphone a smart investment for 2026 and beyond. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy A56 5G stands out as one of the most complete mid-range smartphones of the year, offering premium design, a beautiful display, strong performance, reliable cameras, and excellent battery life at a reasonable price. For anyone looking for a powerful and future-proof smartphone, the Galaxy A56 5G is a choice worth considering.